Welcome to Get It Out. In this video series, I will guide you how you can create a professional marketing foundation for your products and services, and then, based on that foundation, create irresistible messages and all the marketing materials you need, from landing pages to emails and even to sales presentations. So it's all about Get It Out and how you can nail your marketing. So just bear with me for 1 minute. The idea is that you don't have to guess anymore how to present your product or to which clients to sell that product to, how to convince them, how to attract them. It's actually not some fluffy, creative thing. What we've done is we've turned marketing into a simple step-by-step process that you can follow. And that process, this is what we put into Get It Out. So it's nicely structured, takes you by the hand, and once you work through these steps 1 and 2, building your foundation and analysis, you can move on to step 3, which is creating all the marketing materials literally in minutes. So in this video, I will walk you through the main 3 phases of Get It Out that you can see here in the left side menu of your product, which is input, analyze, and create. If you click on your product home, which is this button here, you always get a nice summary. Again, here you can quickly read up on what these 3 phases mean. So in phase number 1, and again you can click also here to get even more detailed explanations. Phase 1 is just about all the input. We need to know what your product or service is all about, what features you offer, or what specific services and characteristics. Just some bits and pieces about your company, about yourself or your founding team, and finally about your main design. And the idea behind this whole section number 1 is to set it and forget it. So you put this data in once, and then you have all the information finally in one place. So your marketing data isn't scattered anymore across Google Docs, spreadsheets, Notion, wherever that might be. But there's one nice place, which is Get It Out. And then you can invite your whole team as well. And then everybody on the team can go in. It quickly needs a feature text. Well, copy and paste it from here. Someone needs info about one of the founders. Well, here's the bio. So set it and forget it. Do it well, do it once, and of course, Get It Out will guide you along there. After phase 1 comes phase 2, analysis. Now this is where it gets really interesting. And the first 2 steps, buyer personas and benefits, this is where the music is. In buyer personas, Get It Out helps you find your ideal clients or niches or market segments, and then build really vivid buyer personas, avatars, or ideal client profiles, however you want to call it. If we have a quick sneak peek here, these buyer personas not only have some demographics data, but we will help you discover their pains and goals, what really motivates them, right? And then we move on to benefits. And the Get It Out Benefit Assistant will take you by the hand and automatically turn your sort of more technical or abstract features into tangible benefits, advantages that actually help your clients out, that help your clients get where they want to be. So probably you've heard that, don't talk about features, don't talk about yourself, but I could say that even more drastic. Your clients don't care about you. They don't care about your product or service. Your clients only care about what's in it for them, how their life can be improved, either their private life or their business life, how they can get things done quicker, better, earn more money. Right? Your product is just the vehicle, the tool that helps them get there, right? And this is what the Benefit Assistant is all about. It takes your features and mixes them with the pains and goals you've discovered for your buyer personas and creates this real value proposition, these benefits that will attract and convince your future clients to jump on board. Phase number 2 is rounded out by clients and competitors. We'll see these later. This is where you can do client interviews and discover pains and goals by interviewing existing clients. And you can also analyze competitors, which can help you with your positioning. So again, Get It Out is this one place where all your marketing information lives. And here, for each competitor you analyze, again, you can extract pains, goals, buyer personas of your competitors. Now, moving on to phase number 3, probably the one you've been waiting for the most. This is where all the hard work that you've put in phases 1 and 2 pays off. And again, phase 1 and 2 is set it and forget it. You do the hard work once, and of course Get It Out helps you along the way, takes you by the hand. But once you've done that, now is the real fun part. And if we look here in this left side menu, you see we can create websites literally with the click of a button. This can be landing pages for free trials, or let's see here for gathering reviews. Or it could be the accompanying emails. For example, an email to motivate your clients to give you more reviews. And all these materials that you can generate here and Get It Out, they are complete. They are in your design with texts that literally create rapport with your future clients because, well, you've done the hard work, right? We've created those benefits. And you can go as far as creating sales presentations. Oh, let's have a quick look at that one. So it's literally complete Google Slides or PowerPoint presentations based on all that foundation. So that was a quick overview of the 3 phases of Get It Out. I'm very proud to be your guide in this video series, so stick with me, and if you haven't already, you can go to getitout.io, click that free trial button at the top right. You can use all the features for free for 2 weeks, and this is enough to build this whole marketing foundation of yours. And then if that's enough for you, perfect, you're more than happy. And if not, you can stick with Get It Out and keep refining that marketing foundation, keep adding more buyer personas and markets to grow. Or if you're a creative pro or a marketing agency, you can use it to manage and onboard all your clients and create the marketing foundation and the first materials for your clients, which incredibly speeds up your client onboarding process and helps you manage a larger team, especially if you're a growing agency. So again, welcome to Get It Out, and now stick with me as I walk you through the main 3 phases and all the details. Cheers to your marketing success.